You're probably already familiar with OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud-based storage solution. But did you know that business accounts have access to a slightly different version of OneDrive? It's called OneDrive for Business. Like with your personal OneDrive, OneDrive for Business is a cloud-based space for storing and managing documents. It's managed by your organization and provides additional tools that are not available with personal OneDrive accounts. Keep in mind also that it's separate from your personal account and that the two can't be connected. Here's how Westcal are making use of OneDrive for Business. Up to recently, Westcal have been storing their files on hard drives. But last month, they took the decision to move to a cloud-based storage service and so signed up to OneDrive for Business. They now need to migrate their files to the cloud. Grace has been tasked with adding and organizing Westcal's files within their OneDrive account. OneDrive has a range of features that Grace can use to manage Westcal's files. In this lesson, you'll explore these features alongside the basics of Microsoft's OneDrive for Business service. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to get started with OneDrive for Business by opening and navigating the service and its features, and collaborate with OneDrive by managing files within the service. So what kind of file management features does OneDrive for Business offer? With this cloud-based service, you can add files to your OneDrive account, create files directly within OneDrive, organize files using a system of folders, and delete files that you no longer need. Over the next few moments, you'll investigate the process steps for each of these actions. But to start, here's a look at how to access OneDrive for Business. To open OneDrive for Business, log into your Microsoft 365 account. Then click the OneDrive tile on your landing page or from the App Launcher pane. Once OneDrive is open, you can begin uploading files. There are two ways to upload a file to OneDrive. The first and easiest method is to drag and drop the file from File Explorer or your desktop to the OneDrive window. The second method is to click the Add New button in the OneDrive window. Then choose whether you want to upload a file or folder. This action launches the Open dialog box. Locate and select the files or folders to upload, then click Open. The selected items are uploaded to OneDrive. You can also create files using Office Online via OneDrive. To start, click Add New, then choose the type of file you would like to create. Your file is created and opened using the appropriate app in a new tab. You can now work with the file as normal. Notice that you can also create folders from here, once no files are selected. When prompted, enter the file name. Then click Create. Another great feature in OneDrive is the ability to organize files within your account, just as you would within Windows. To begin organizing your files, move your mouse to the left of the target file names. Then click the circle that appears. The organization commands appear at the top of the file list. You can use these commands to open a file, share or copy a link to the file, delete it, favorite the file or add a shortcut to it, download it, move the file or create a copy, rename it, automate it, and even review the version history. You will also find some of these commands on the right-click menu. And don't forget that you can drag and drop files into folders to organize them. Finally, here's a look at how to delete files and folders. To delete a file or folder from your OneDrive for Business account, first select the file. Then click Delete on the top bar. Or right-click the file and then click Delete from the options that appear. When prompted, click Delete to confirm. The selected file or files are then moved from your OneDrive for Business account to the Microsoft 365 recycle bin. You're now ready to get started with OneDrive for Business and help your team with managing their files on the service.